Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the frequently asked questions about the storage server. Sir, what network options are available? Considering the vast amount of data that may be transferred, the network uplink speed and bandwidth allocation of a storage server are critical. It is important to choose a bandwidth plan suitable for the amount of monthly data you need. One Gbps network ports are one of the best options for storage hosting as it ensures that any client connecting to the server can download data and at an exceptionally fast rate. As the fast downloading improve the user experience. For clients with larger network uplink requirements, Servermania also offer 10 Gbps and 20 Gbps network ports in specific locations. So it is important to choose a bandwidth plan suitable for the amount of monthly data you need. So thanks for watching our today's video. We hope you like the video. Share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.